Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see who followed you on Facebook. So if you want to see your followers on Facebook, it's actually quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So once you have opened Facebook, you will most likely need to go to the bottom right corner of your screen, that menu, but it might be at the top right corner of your screen based on your model of your phone. Now what you need to do is you want to click on see your profile, which is literally at the top of the page, just in the menu right here. And then what you need to do is you need to go to add a profile, but next to add a profile you have those three dots, and that's where you want to click on. Now what you need to do is you need to click on activity log right here, and you want to scroll a little bit down until you find connections, and then what you want to do is you want to make sure you click on manage followers. Then you will be brought to this page right here, and now we need to filter on who followed you. So you want to click on filters, categories, and you want to make sure to click on people who followed you. And you can literally see right now that I only have one follower, and that's the only follower I have on Facebook. And yeah, that's basically how you can see who followed you over on Facebook. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.